fog is definitely in. Can't see nothing in front of y'all. They're right here in front of us. They came in and turned right around. You saw them and started to get pushed. Oh, right here. Oh, I lost him. Yo. I wasn't expecting. I was like, yo, you saw him, he started getting pushed up. And next you know, he just hit me right there. Oh, right there. There we go. There we go. I don't know, maybe. Go ahead, guy. There you go.
So here's a perfect example to show you guys where fisherman etiquette comes into place. Now, I ended up taking a cast. The guy to my right hooks up after my lure lands in the water. We ended up communicating together with him. The other guy that's up from him, I ended up tangling up with him. We were able to communicate properly. The man was able to fight his fish. Unfortunately, he lost the fish. It wasn't due to our tangle up, but I just want to show you guys that this is one way you can handle a situation very easily instead of turning it into something negative.
Go ahead. You got it. Damn, he knocked that damn shit off. I gotta do it all over again. Yeah, look, they're splashing up over there. You see them? Oh, look, right here in front of us. Holy shit. They're right here in front of us. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There you go, baby. Take your run. I've been waiting for that one. I was waiting for that run. You gonna take it or just come on in for me? Yeah, the mackerel just came in when he There we go. There we go. Come on. They're here. They are here. They're here. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's on. My man over there is on too. Come on. Come on, baby. There we go. Whew. Let this baby go. Are you ready? appreciate that.
So that ended up being the last fish I caught for the morning. I decided to go take a little break, go get breakfast, gather myself, and I ended up coming back to this location to see if I can get on some more fish. As you can see in the background, the clouds are a little dark, so that means the storm is starting to brew. I checked the forecast, it said it was going to rain, so I knew what I had coming to me, so I just ended up fishing it anyway.
Oh, look at that, right here in front of us. Fish on! Yo, they're going bananas right now. Woo! I've only did it like once or twice, bro. What you got? The blue or stripe? Looks like a stripey stripe. There you go, little guy. You're good. You are good. Big striker. Now let me go. Wow. Go ahead, guy. Go, little fella. There you go. Yo, you want some cutters? Oh, you got it? All right. Wow. They are here. Need to give me one of them big boys. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, there we go. It's a little guy. Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Look at that. Hook right to the shoe. Let him go. I got my there we go, guy. There we go. Go ahead, Luna. Okay. Now I gotta deal with this. They're blowing up out there. Oh, he just missed my plug. There we go. Fish. Oh, I missed him. Oh, there we go. Came back. There we go. Fish on. There we go. Doubles. Fish on. Tight drag. You're good. It's right here in front of you. You're good. Yeah, he's right here. Are you? One hook out. Stay still, my man. I'll let you go. Promise. There you go. You're a free man.
So this ended up being the last fish I caught for the evening. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys out there on the water.
Look. You can't fish the canal. Get out of here. How are you in a boat and you're that desperate? How do you have access to a boat? You got all this water you can take over, literally all this water here. Right at that harbor, you can go right there and fish. Why not? And he wants to go dead smack in the middle where everybody's casting at.